Hi, I'm Mark, the founder of HEALTHandMED.com, and I want to personally welcome you to the world of detoxing by flooding your body with negative ions and using one of the IonizeMe Ionic Detox foot bath systems. Let me tell you, we're really excited to be part of your detoxing journey, and this video contains everything you need to know.
Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary components. This includes your IonizeMe Maxx machine, an array, a foot tub, disposable liners, Himalayan salt, and, if desired, the optional fur belt. It may also be helpful to have the operating instructions on hand to follow along with this video. All accessories can be purchased at www.healthandmed.com. Start by lining your foot tub with a disposable liner for an easier cleanup. Then, fill the tub with a few inches of warm water. Plug the power cord into a grounded outlet. Flip the power switch on. The LED display will show two numbers. The top number should show a voltage between 8 and 23. The bottom number will show 0 amps. If your model has a voltage dial on the back, make sure that it is turned fully clockwise. You won't usually need to adjust this dial. Plug the array into the array socket, then slowly lower it into the water. Make sure the water level completely covers the metal coils of the array. If you're using the optional fur belt, plug it into the fur belt socket. Wrap the fur belt around the waist or another area like the arm, shoulder, or back. Secure it with the hook and loop fasteners. The belt comes with an extra extender stored behind the internal elastic, which you can use for extra length if needed. Place feet in the water and keep Himalayan salt nearby to adjust the amperage as needed. The ideal amperage range is between 1.7 and 2.2 amps. As the amperage increases, the lower number on the LED display will rise. If you need to raise the amperage, lift the array out of the water, add a pinch of salt, and dissolve it by gently swishing the feet. Slowly lower the array back into the water and wait about 30 seconds for the reading to adjust. Repeat until the amperage falls within the correct range. Be careful not to add too much salt at once, as this could trigger the oversalt alarm. If this does happen, unplug the array to stop the alarm. Remove some of the water and replace it with fresh tap water. Then, try again, making sure not to add too much salt at once. Always lower the array very slowly to avoid triggering a false oversalt alarm. If you need further help, please refer to the IonizeMe Maxx troubleshooting guide enclosed with the operating instructions. Once the amperage is in the right range, set a timer for 30 minutes and begin your detox. Each machine includes a letter from Dr. Terrence Cooper with detox guidelines for different ages and health needs. For free, personalized guidance, you can reach Dr. Cooper at 435-531-9418. Once your session is complete, flip the power switch to turn off the machine. The water can be disposed of in a sink, tub, toilet, or outside. The water is harmless but may temporarily stain grass or rocks. After your detox session, it's important to clean and maintain your array to keep it sanitized and in good condition. To do this, you'll need an array cleaning jar and some Health and Med cleaning solution. Immediately after each use, rinse the array with water. Then, fill the array cleaning jar with enough water to fully submerge the metal coils inside the array. Add 2 large scoops, or about 1.5 teaspoons, of cleaning solution and mix well. Place the array inside the jar and store it there until your next detox. If the cleaning water becomes dark, refresh the water and add new solution.
Now you're ready to use your IonizeMe Ionic Detox foot bath system. When you're ready to get more accessories, visit us online at HEALTHandMED.com or call us at 888-649-3650. Thank you and happy detoxing!